FDA and food safety standards require robust HACCP plans. With our 5-star rated comprehensive online training, you'll learn how to design, implement, and maintain effective HACCP plans. The course offers 24/7 access, allowing you to learn at a pace that suits your schedule and lifestyle. Learn essential HACCP principles such as hazard analysis, establishing critical limits, and auditing food safety processes. Our interactive exercises simulate real-world food safety risk, providing hands-on experience for better learning. Our course instructors bring over 50 years of combined expertise to guide you in every step of creating a HACCP plan. Once you pass, your official HACCP certification will be instantly available with the International HACCP Alliance seal. The process is simple. Enroll, complete all modules, pass the final quiz, and receive your certificate. Whether you are a food safety or a professional plant manager, this course empowers you with actionable insights. Get certified today with easy access and expert guidance. Start your HACCP journey with us.